Hey guys, okay, I'm confused now. Wednesday, happy Wednesday. Yes, because trash day is Thursday. So happy Wednesday, guys. We are out here in Stockbridge, Georgia. This is the residence of Mrs. Green. We was just talking, and she called me last week, sent me some pictures. She also had the measurements done, and it's a little bit over 1,400 square feet. And she said, Courtney, the companies that came out here told me that did a estimate said the floors needed to be sanded. But after watching so many of your videos, and she was very impressed with the video I did when we did the Hotel Bardo in Savannah. That's the video she really raved about. She said, yeah, I would rather go this route. So the movers came out this morning. Shout out again to Christian and his team for moving the furniture. So what me and Tavares is going to be doing today, again, is a screen and recoat on red oak floors, little minor color correction, and I'm going to show you guys again the main reason of screen and recoating. She's going to be going with a satin finish and also UV curing, so the furniture will be going back today. Also, guys, I will be, this is the last day we'll be working this week. We'll be back at it next week, taking a little vacation, me and the missus, tomorrow through Sunday. So anyway, guys, let me flip this around. All right, guys, so we are in Stockbridge. I think Miss Green, you about to leave now, Miss Green? You leaving now? Yeah. All right, I'll see you get back. Yes, ma'am, that is okay. And again, guys, that is so good when you work for clients that trust you in their home. Again, so all the furniture was moved this morning. And she said, yo, Courtney, I'm going to leave. And just call me when you guys are wrapping up. So what I'll probably do, we might just DoorDash our food here so we don't have to leave, just probably eat in the garage. So anyway, guys, let's get straight to it. So again, one of the most popular floors I do, is that the dining room? Is these red oak floors, okay? So we got this area right here. We got a lot of wear all up in here. So the finish is kind of wearing. If you look here, got some discoloration, especially right here. So we're gonna do a color correction up in this area. You could tell they had a rug right here because this floor is in perfect condition. Also, we got this sunroom, got a lot of scratches that's kind of scratching off the finish, but the sunroom is not too bad. And again, this is a great example right here. I'm gonna zoom in. You see all those little surface scratches? Okay, you see all that? That is, see right here, I'm gonna zoom in, see all that? That's what the screening does. So the screening is gonna mechanically abrade those micro scratches out, not deep scratches, okay? Also this dining room, which is also not too bad, all right? And it's coming into this hallway, and I'm gonna stop here because we're not going into this room. And I'm also gonna stop here because we're not gonna go into this room, all right? And that's it, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. And you see right here, guys, let me zoom in. See all those scratches? Those are micro scratches. So when they're not in the wood, that's really the finish, the old finish, or whatever's left on the old finish. It's just taking a beating, and it needs to be needs some really good finish on the floor. See y'all right here, guys. All right, let's get this party started. Stay tuned.
Down Stockbridge, Georgia, yeah, we're rolling strong. Floors look tired, but it didn't take long. They had quotes so high, 8 and 13 grand. But we brought that magic bag with just one hand. Pro coat satin shining, red coat flowing clean. Ran that buffer steady like a southern dream. Client couldn't believe it, what a sight to see. UV lights flashing, cured instantly. His one-day job, that's the Truman way. Screen and red coat, done the same day. furniture back. No waiting overnight. Stockbridge floors glowing under UV light. They said sanding's $8 grand, or maybe 13, but I said, hold up, I'll keep that wood grain clean. No dust clouds, no long delay, just shine like glass before the end of day. That Recoat satin, smooth and strong, UV cured, can't go wrong. Turn the lights on, hit that beam. Stockbridge floors, back to a dream. Yeah, one day job, furniture rolling in. No downtime, just a brand new skin. Stockbridge, Georgia, we made it shine. Truman team, we're right on time.
Right there by that front door, how it was really worn, all those scratches. Yep.
To a one-day sale horse.
Oh, look really good. Yes. Yep. But I stopped right at those exact board when you go into the room. Yeah. And look at all up in here. Yep, that worn area. Yep. Yep. All right, guys.
Right now, I'm going to put the lazy board chairs back.
Okay.
But they're not going to stay there, so I'm going to put them on, ask the movers to put them on a blanket.
Perfect. Perfect. Yes, ma'am. All right, guys, we just got through doing the walkthrough with Mrs. Green. She's very, very happy with the services. She said she got 2 quotes to stay in this floor. One was $8,000 and one was $13,000. And for us to do the screen and recoat today, it was $3,500. So that's a huge, significant difference in price. Like I do say, the screen and recoat would not get out everything a sanding would get out. But for a floor like this, this is definitely a good, I'm gonna say 90% improvement. Just had a little few deep scratches here and there that didn't come out. But again, you have to fully sand those out. But remember at the beginning, all those surface scratches, look at that good finish. Nice satin finish that you wanted. So the floors, again, have some great protection. Brought these floors back to life. And done in one day. And that's another thing that people love about the screen and recoat. It's the convenience. Like back here, let me show you. This is a prime example. It looked like some water damage to one of these boards right there. So that would probably need to be, you know, that's a sanding issue. But that's just that one, or maybe 2 boards right there. And then we had like a little mark here. I don't know what that is. So that's the difference between the sanding and the screening. The screening just roughs up the top coat, like right here. See those deep scratches? That's what a sanding would have to get out. The screening just roughs up the top coating of the wood, so the new finish has something to hold on to. But overall, guys, floors look great. I'm happy with the results. Movers will be back shortly to move the furniture. All right, guys, I'll be off for the rest of the week, and I'll see you guys next week. Thanks for watching.